bite kits. It can never hurt to come prepared, and a snake bite kit is a great addition to your first aid kit. The equipped snake bite kit comes complete with heavy compression bandages, triangular bandages, and a snake bite first aid instruction manual. The pressure and immobilization bandaging method is the most effective treatment for snake bites while out in the field, and in a worst case scenario, you need to have an effective action plan for emergencies. As we come into the warmer months, more and more snakes will be coming out of hiding. By remaining vigilant, wearing the proper gear, and having an action plan, you are doing everything you can to prevent and prepare for snake bites on your next adventure.